Are you ready to have some fruit fun? Well, join me on a colorful adventure. Kiwi, oranges, apples, mango, strawberries, bananas, apricots, tomatoes, watermelon, pears, pineapple, blueberries, peaches, dragon fruit, grapes, lemons, cucumbers, raspberries, cherries, and this is a bowl of fruit salad. Children's author Candy Cupcake, and I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to some great new fruits. And this book does contain a recipe for some yummy fruit salad that you see there on your screen. So, until next time, my friends, goodbye.